Good morning, friends. I'm Svetlana from lmastery.com. Доброе утро. Хорошее солнечное утро сегодня. Хорошая солнечная погода и хороший солнечный день. Nice and sunny morning, nice and sunny weather, and nice and sunny day. As you noticed, in English language, nice and summer, they all have the same endings, but it's not about Russian. So why we have хорошая, хорошее, хороший? Why this difference? It is because these adjectives belong to different nouns. Утро, погода, and день. And all these three nouns belong to different genders. So if you already started to learn Russian language, I'm sure you heard about the genders in Russian. And a lot of people think that it's really something very complicated in Russian language, but actually no, and it's a good news for you. Genders is not the worst topic in Russian, not the worst, not the most complicated thing. So let's talk about genders a little bit, what it is, because in English language you don't have genders. Well, you have genders, biological genders, but if you say intelligent woman, intelligent man, so intelligent is always intelligent, the ending is not changing, but we know that woman, she, like she is, and man, he, but gender doesn't influence in any way the other words. But it's not about Russian. So in Russian we have biological gender as well. So papa, father is masculine, mama is feminine, when we talk about humans. But why, for example, Bank, Restaurant, masculine, and why Школа is feminine, and Окно is neuter? So this all depends on the ending of the word, the ending of the noun, I mean the gender. So how to find out the gender of the nouns? Let's start. So the gender of the noun, as I said, depends on the ending. So let's start with the feminine. So nouns feminine, which belongs to feminine, they have ending a, ya. Masculine, no ending, zero ending, and neuter has ending o and ye. Well, this is in general because we always have some exceptions, and this is what makes Russian language more interesting, challenging, and a bit spicy. So let's have a look at some examples. So feminine ending a, школа, Mama, Sestra, Дорога. Masculine, Банк, Ресторан, Компьютер, День, кот. And neuter, Окно, Село, Сердце, Море. So this is what you need to know in general about the genders. But there is something which makes it, well, really a little bit complicated. This is what zero ending. So nouns with zero ending also can belong to feminine. So there are nouns with zero ending which are feminine, and there are nouns with zero ending which are masculine. So let's have a look here again. So nouns like Дочь, Осень, Ночь, Печь, Радость, Старость, Слабость, they are feminine. And nouns like День and others, Компьютер, Банк, also with zero ending, they are masculine. Is there any rule how to know which belongs where? No, there are no rules, you need to remember them. But nouns with oсть at the end, they are always feminine. Радость, Старость, so they are always feminine. And there are some more things you need to remember, is like two nouns, время, имя. They have ending R, but they belong to neuter. So we can write it here, время and имя. Кофе has ending ye, but it is masculine. мой кофе, черный кофе, горячий кофе, сладкий кофе, крепкий кофе. So coffee is masculine. And let's talk about biological gender now. So words like папа, бабушка, папа, дедушка, дядя, мужчина, they have endings a and ya, but they are masculine because they mean papa, father, grandfather, uncle, man. They are all masculine. This is what you have to know about the gender. This is the most important. And now let's practice a bit. Let's use these genders in our conversation and let's see how it works. So if we talk, in our conversation we use feminine nouns, so all other words should agree with this noun. For example, so if it's about feminine, so she is Anna, my or mine, Maya. You will see why we are writing this. Yours, let's learn how it's yours. Твоя, so моя, твоя. And this, for example, this one, это. So it's about feminine. Let's have a look at masculine. He is он, mine, мой, yours, твой. And this one, about masculine, этот. And let's have a look at neuter. Neuter is оно, mine, моё, yours, твоё. This one, это. We spell это, but we pronounce это. So if we want to make sentences, let's use now these words. For example, this man is my husband. So this man. So man is masculine. We need to use the word this from masculine. So этот мужчина, my, again from masculine, мой, and husband is муж. Этот мужчина, мой муж. Now another sentence. This woman is my wife. Woman is feminine, that's why we need to use words from this part. This woman, это женщина, моя жена. So we had мой, now we have моя. Это женщина, моя жена. So this car, this is my window. Это мое окно. Or this window is mine. The same. Это окно мое. Это окно мое. And I would like to pay your attention to difference between this is something and this something is. Let's compare. For example, this is my computer. Это мой компьютер, because computer is masculine. Это мой компьютер. If I say, this computer is mine, we need to say, этот компьютер мой. This is my car. Car is машина. This is feminine. Это моя машина. So, это мой компьютер, это моя машина. For those both examples we used это. But when we say this car is mine, эта машина моя. Этот компьютер мой. Эта машина моя. This is my window. Это мое окно. This window is mine. Это окно мое. This boy is my son. Этот мальчик мой сын. This phone is mine. Этот телефон мой. This bank is mine. Этот банк мой. This Computer is mine. Этот компьютер мой. All these examples were for masculine. And again, let's try again a little bit with feminine. So, this girl is mine. Эта девочка моя. This wife is mine. Эта жена моя. This friend is mine, but we have friend, two words for friend. If it's female, подруга, male, друг. Эта подруга моя, but этот друг мой. And a little bit with Neuter. This window is mine. Это окно мое. This village is mine. Это село мое. This sea is mine. Это море мое. So I hope this topic, genders, didn't seem too complicated for you. So the main thing you need to remember, feminine, a, я. Masculine, zero ending, nothing. Neuter, о, е. So always, моя, твоя, она, это belongs to feminine. Мой, твой, он, and none with zero ending, masculine. Мое, твое, оно, о, always, and with oye ending the noun, so they are all neuter. And there are biological gender like папа, мама, женщина. So папа, мужчина, дедушка. Despite all the aya ending, they are masculine because it's obvious. And what else? Yes, the hardest thing, zero ending can be also feminine. Autumn, осень. Золотая, осень. Ночь, темная ночь. Моя ночь. Моя дочь. Not мой дочь. Мой муж, but моя дочь. What you have to do? You have to learn these examples. But it doesn't mean that you need to overload your head now, your brain with too much information. Step by step you will learn it, you will read, you will practice, you will listen, you will try to speak to people, and you will remember all of these words. Leave your comments below. I would like to know if you liked the video also, so if you liked it, press the like button please, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next videos. До свидания, мои друзья. Bye-bye.